Welcome to our channel. In this video today, I am going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how to properly clean out the charging socket on your Samsung Galaxy A36 phone to ensure it stays in great working condition. The phone must be turned off. Never do this on a phone that is turned on. We need 100% isopropyl alcohol so that after cleaning it evaporates completely and leaves no residue. To accomplish this specific task effectively, you're going to need to find a brush that features much longer bristles than a standard one, which we can simply use for our purposes here. Ideally, the bristles should measure approximately 2 centimeters in length, which is important so that they can easily reach all the way to the very end of the socket, and honestly, that is all you really need to worry about for this step. First, soak the brush thoroughly, that is, drip the alcohol onto it. If you don't have a spray bottle, just soak the brush thoroughly in alcohol and clean. Take your phone. Here's the socket. The phone should be turned off, as I mentioned, and then we clean. First, go one way about 10 times. Carefully insert it firmly all the way to the very end of the opening, and then slowly move it back and forth several times. Now you should go the other way for approximately 10 full rotations or strokes. You must repeat this entire cleaning process about 5 times in each specific direction to ensure it is thorough. And that's it. Then leave the phone for about 10 minutes so the ethyl alcohol can evaporate, so the phone will be ready, specifically ready for use. And now the phone's socket is clean. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.